If you are a working professional who wants to start a profitable coaching business, but you are confused about what kind of offer you can create so that you can sell your high ticket coaching program to the premium clients and start charging 40 to 50,000 per program. It's just a minimum amount I'm talking about, because high ticket starts from 40 to 50,000 rupees, and then it can go up to 1 lakh, 2 lakh, 5 lakh, 10 lakh, depending upon your expertise and what kind of outcome you're going to give to your clients, correct? And this is the most important thing, because unless and until you don't have a right offer, you cannot charge and sell your high ticket coaching program. And if you have this problem, then stick till the end, because in this video I'm going to explain exactly how and why you need to create the exact high ticket offer and how you can do it. I'll also give you the framework, so stay tuned. Now see, most of the working professionals try to create the offer, and they generally, I'm not talking about the generally, but for sure they literally overcomplicate the things when it comes to offer generation and everything. See, offer generation is a different part, and deciding a niche and the curriculums what you are going to provide to that particular client, it's a completely a different part. Offer creation is nothing but you simply try to solve a specific kind of problem for a specific kind of person. Now, I don't mean, or I don't want to say that when you try to create the like offer creations and everything, you have to add your time frame, you have to add your curriculums, you have to add the price of the program. It's nothing like that. Whenever you try to create the offer, you don't have to create a multiple offers. See, at the beginning when you try to start your own coaching business or a journey, then definitely there would be a first draft that you will create, and on top of that you will start selling your high ticket program. But along the way slowly and steadily you will start changing your offer, and that is absolutely fine, because अगर आप एक fix offer create कर रहे हो, वो कभी भी fix नहीं होती. Slowly and steadily, apart from the feedback, जब आपके पास, I'm not just talking about the clients that you are working with, but जब आप slowly and steadily move करोगे, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा client के साथ काम करोगे, तो you will get to know the feedback from your clients, and you can change the entire offer with respect to the clients or the prospects that they want actually, correct? So never ever think if I'm creating offer correctly or right now, this is the exact offer that I'll have to use for the rest of my life, and that is absolutely wrong. And as a working professional, you can think I don't have that much time to create the irresistible offer and I will have to reiterate everything along the journey. That's not the case. But most of the new coaches or the most of the new working professionals who wants to start their own coaching business from scratch or wherever you are currently in, they think I need to create multiple testing tools to create the offer, and I need the experience, the right kind of certifications and everything, so that I can start charging the high ticket amount. If you are thinking that, you are absolutely wrong, because along the way जैसे जैसे टाइम स्पेंड होगा वैसे वैसे आपको पता चलेगा कि what kind of problems your ideal clients are facing, and then you can change your like perspective towards the charging the high ticket, and also you can change your offer accordingly. You just have to validate that offer at the first itself. But before even creating the offer, you have to think in a way कि what things you don't have to include in your offer, because सारे लोग ये तो सोचते हैं कि यार मुझे अगर ऑफर क्रिएट करनी तो मैं कैसे ऑफर क्रिएट करूंगा, बट दे नेवर थिंक कि अगर मुझे ऑफर क्रिएट करनी तो क्या स्टेप्स है जो मुझे नहीं लेने हैं, because this is the most important thing. You can definitely like learn about offer creation and everything, but you have to remember you don't have to add everything and anything into the offer creation part, because it will confuse your I would say the ICPs and the target audience. Now when it comes to the things that you don't have to include, just remember you don't have to confuse your ICP or a target audience, correct? Let's say अगर आप कोई करियर कोच हो या फिर एनीथिंग इट कुड बी, अगर आपके पास कोई बंदा आ रहा है या फिर कोई भी क्लाइंट आ रहा है, देन आपको उसको इतना सोचना नहीं पड़ना चाहिए कि व्हाट काइंड ऑफ रिजल्ट्स और द आउटकम दैट यू आर गोइंग टू प्रोवाइड टू दैट क्लाइंट और टू मी स्पेसिफिकली, बिकॉज आई एम कमिंग टू यू एज अ क्लाइंट, करेक्ट? सो नेवर एवर इंक्लूड द कॉम्प्लेक्स फनल्स और द फ्रेमवर्क्स इन योर ऑफर इटसेल्फ, ताकि उसको कुछ समझ में नहीं आए कि एग्जैक्टली क्या आउटपुट देने वाला है. बिकॉज अगर आप आउटपुट स्पेसिफिक कर रहे हो, you don't have to give the short form to that output, because the front person will not get to know what kind of output या फिर result you are going to provide to that particular client, because ये एक journey है, it's kind of a progress, correct? So you don't have to show in a way कि it's kind of a perfect thing only, because always and always progress is much more better than the perfection. So just try to validate everything before even creating the right offer, and you can definitely give the guarantees, but what kind of guarantees you have to give, again it's a different thing. But in the offer you don't have to mention that. See, in a curriculum, in a sales calls, you can mention about that guarantees and everything, but when you try to create the offer, you don't have to mention specifically about the guarantees and everything. Most people will do कि I'll give you the money back guarantees, or they will think कि if I'm giving the money back guarantee or any guarantee on the offer itself, then I'll get the multiple clients. You will get the clients, but the perspective of those clients would be definitely different, right? क्योंकि अगर आप सामने ही डायरेक्टली बता रहे हो कि यार मैं सब कुछ मनी बैक कर दूंगा या फिर फ्री कर दूंगा, तो जो आपके पास क्लाइंट आने वाले वो इसी पर्सपेक्टिव से आएगी कि यार अगर मैं सब कुछ ये मनी बैक गारंटी दे रहा है, दैट मीन्स चलो अब देखते कि अगर नहीं हुआ तो मैं पैसे रिटर्न ले लूंगा, एंड दैट्स हाउ इट विल गो. सो नेवर एवर थिंक अबाउट द गारंटीज इन द ऑफर इटसेल्फ और द frameworks, complex things in the funnel or in the offer, because it will actually hamper your like lead flow, correct? Now let's talk about how you can create the offer, right? Because this is the most important part. हमने बात की कि क्या नहीं इंक्लूड करना है, but how you can actually create the right irresistible offer so that you can charge high ticket amount. The very first thing when you try to create the offer is you have to focus more on the one problem which should be specific and the painful problem of your ideal clients or the target audience. Unless and until you are not picking up a problem, आपको multiple problems नहीं pick करने हैं. वहाँ पे बहुत सारे problems होगी जो कि आपकी target audience face कर रही होगी, but you have to stick and pick one specific problem only. Later on you can diversify, but in the beginning itself to charge a high ticket amount, always and always pick one specific problem only. Now that problem should be painful for your target audience, correct? Now when I say target audience, now this is completely a different task, right? अगर आपने अभी तक आपका target audience नहीं decide किया है, if you don't know what is the ICP, what kind of target of people that you are going to target, you cannot create the correct offer in a way कि so that you can charge high ticket, correct? Don't worry, what is it that like वो क्या होता है, कैसे choose करना है, second step है वो. But firstly, always and always choose a problem that your target audience is facing, and it should be painful. Now moving ahead, the second core structure of creating the offer is a one person. Now when I say one person, आपको अब ये नहीं दिमाग में करना है कि you would be thinking I only have to target to, I only have to work with a one person. Partially correct. What does it mean? It is nothing but let's say अगर आप किसी को बेच रहे हो, अगर आपका एक कोचिंग प्रोग्राम you are selling to someone else, right? तो आपके पास जो क्लाइंट आएगा, जो पर्सपेक्ट, जो भी आईसीपी आएगा या फिर टारगेट ऑडियंस आएगा, जो भी प्रॉस्पेक्ट आएगा, वो एक दिमाग में रख के आएगा कि जो आपने ऑफर क्रिएट की है, आई एम completely relating with that offer and I think he or she should or she will definitely help me to get the particular output. Now let's say अगर आप एक career coach हो, you don't have to target to everyone in the career industry because career coaching is a very vast thing. बहुत बड़ी umbrella है वो. Into that you have to pick a one particular niche so that you can target to these people only to attract the right audience, and then you can just narrow it down to get the ideal customer so that you can charge high ticket amount. Now how do you decide your one person framework, right? See, अगर आप एक करियर कोच हो, अगेन ये जस्ट एग्जाम्पल, यू कैन इफ यू आर इनटू द फिटनेस इंडस्ट्री या फिर कोई भी आपका पैशन या फिर स्किल है, यू कैन ट्राई टू डू द सेम विद दैट इटसेल्फ. बट लेट्स से अगर आप एक करियर कोच हो तो आपको सभी को टारगेट नहीं कर रहा है जो भी आईटी इंडस्ट्री के अंदर काम कर रहे हैं या फिर आप किसी को अगर हेल्प कर रहे हो. सी, एज अ करियर कोच अगर आप किसी को हेल्प कर रहे हो जॉब लेने के लिए, उसका वो टारगेट ऑडियंस अलग होगी. अगर आप किसी को हेल्प कर रहे हो हाइक लेने में या फिर 30% 40% हाइक लेने में, तो वो टारगेट ऑडियंस अलग होगी. एंड इफ यू आर हेल्पिंग समवन टू गेट अ कंप्लीटली न्यू जॉब फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम, तो वो टारगेट ऑडियंस अलग होगी. दैट मीन्स योर ऑफर शुड टारगेट टू अ स्पेसिफिक पर्सन ओनली, नॉट एवरीवन. लेट्स अगर आप एक करियर कोच, आप किसी को हेल्प कर रहे हो, आप लेट्स से सैलरी हाइक देने में, करेक्ट, you know how to prepare a resumes and interviews and what kind of steps you have to do so that that person will get the salary hike. Now this is your offer, but at the end आप हर किसी को टारगेट नहीं करोगे. Here I'm talking about this offer. The one person is someone जिसको जो अभी जॉब कर रहा है, that person let's say उसको he or she has an experience of total let's say 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, anything it could be. But उसको अभी जॉब स्विच करना है, he or she wants some hike in terms of the switching a job, करेक्ट. तो आप उन्हीं को टारगेट करोगे जिसका एक्सपीरियंस 2 साल है, 3 साल है, या फिर जो जॉब स्विच कर रहे हैं, ना कि उनको फर्स्ट जॉब चाहिए, करेक्ट. सो दिस इज काइंड ऑफ अ टारगेट audience or the ICP or a one person that you have to always think in mind so that you can create the right offer. Now the third most important part is the outcome. Unless and until you don't have an outcome, you cannot create the high ticket offer, and this is the truth. बहुत सारे लोगों को लगता है यार मैंने डिसाइड मैं किसको हेल्प कर रहा हूँ वो डिसाइड कर लिया, आई नो whom to टारगेट, या फिर सब कुछ चीजें मुझे पता है क्या प्रॉब्लम वो फेस कर रहे हैं, दैट इज फाइन, नाउ आई कैन क्रिएट द ऑफर. रॉन्ग. Unless and until you don't have the right outcome so that you can charge high ticket or create the offer, कोई भी आपके पास नहीं आने वाला है आपके कोचिंग प्रोग्राम के लिए, and this is the truth. Now what is the outcome, right? Now वहाँ पे मल्टीपल आउटकम्स कभी भी नहीं हो सकते, वहाँ पे सिर्फ एक आउटकम होगा, करेक्ट। नाउ व्हेन आई से लेट्स टेक एन एग्जांपल ऑफ करियर कोचिंग, अगर आप किसी को हेल्प कर रहे हो 30-40% हाइक देने में, तो दिस इज द आउटकम। द ऑफर वुड बी योर आउटकम और योर प्रॉब्लम इज सम हु इज लुकिंग, जो भी whoever is looking to switch your job and he wants to get 30-40% हाइक, दिस इज द प्रॉब्लम। प्रॉब्लम क्या है, वो स्पेसिफिकली वो फेस करे कि यार उसको स्विच करने में प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है, या फिर ही इज नॉट एबल टू ग्रैब दैट पर्टिकुलर डबल डिजिट हाइक नंबर। या फिर एक पर्सन होगा जो हमने बात की, वो है IT प्रोफेशनल वांट्स टू स्विच जॉब। नाउ द थर्ड थिंग इज की आउटकम। नाउ हियर आउटकम इज नथिंग बट यू आर हेल्पिंग समवन टू गेट अ जॉब, अनदर जॉब एंड गेट अबाउट 30-40-50% हाइक। दिस इज द आउटकम। बिकॉज अगर उसको 10 लाख सैलरी है, अगर आप 30% हाइक दे रहे हो तो ऑब्वियसली इट वुड बी 13 लाख, या फिर अगर 50%, 100%, it would 20, 25, 30 lakhs. This is the outcome that you are giving to that person and definitely he will reach out to you because you are solving that particular outcome that he is facing. और उसका outcome उसके लिए प्रॉब्लम होगा, उसको नहीं पता है कि कैसे हाइक लेनी है, क्या फ्रेमवर्क होगा, कैसे मुझे प्रिपेयर करना है, वेयर टू अप्लाई, ये सारी चीजें इट इज अप टू यू। यू कैन डिजाइन योर ओन करिकुलम, बट having that one outcome for your particular client or person is the most important part. अगर आपके पास outcome नहीं, it is too hard to sell your high ticket coaching program, and just keep this in mind. Now the most important part, next part is the pricing and everything. So you can literally charge high ticket, as I told you. हाई टिकट विल जनरली स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द 40 to 50,000, बहुत सारे लोग 25-30,000 भी ले लेते हैं, बट इट विल कम अंडर द मिड टिकट कोचिंग प्रोग्राम एंड हाई टिकट विल स्टार्ट फ्रॉम 40 to 50,000, करेक्ट। यू कैन लिटरली चार्ज दिस मच अमाउंट ऑफ मनी बिकॉज व्हेन आई वाज वर्किंग विद माय प्रीवियस क्लाइंट्स, ही वाज लिटरली चार्जिंग 5 to 7,000 फॉर हिज एंटायर कोचिंग प्रोग्राम, एंड वो भी रिकॉर्डेड कोर्सेज थे। बट लेटर ऑन वी जस्ट डिसाइड द एवरीथिंग, द प्राइसिंग स्ट्रैटेजी एंड एवरीथिंग, and we literally went from 5 to 7,000 प्राइस जो वो चार्ज कर रहा था to 45,000 for a particular program, and then he gave it to like 50,000 and 60,000. So it all comes under the like offer creation and pitching the right people, correct? So always and always remember this thing. Now when it comes to the pricing part and everything, how much money you can charge, it all comes down the outcome basis. जो भी बंदा आपके पास या फिर जो भी क्लाइंट आपके पास आ रहा है, वो स्पेसिफिकली आ रहा है आउटकम सॉल्व करने के लिए। अगर आप कैपेबल हो उसका आउटकम सॉल्व करने के लिए, या फिर इफ यू आर कैपेबल कि यस आई विल डेफिनेटली प्रोवाइड व्हाट यू आर लुकिंग फॉर, he or she will definitely pay you lakhs of rupees that you want, because अगर आप उसका प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व कर रहे हो, he will be more than happy to pay you 50,000, 1 lakh, 2 lakh, 3 lakh, 5 lakh, 10 lakh rupees at the same time. So never ever think about कि यार मैं कैसे चार्ज कर पाऊंगा, how would I charge 50,000, 1 lakh rupees. It all comes under the mindset coaching, mindset thing, and also the offer creation part. And then when it comes to the pricing part, most of the people will be like, it would be like an ego based, right? I don't want to charge this much amount of money, how someone will pay me, I'm completely fine with the 20-30,000. See, if you are charging 5,000, 10,000, 20,000 rupees, you cannot scale your coaching program to 3 to 5 lakhs per month in the coming days, या फिर more than that itself. क्योंकि अगर आप लो टिकट प्रोग्राम के अंदर खेल रहे हो, it is too hard to charge high ticket. So always and always remember, you always and always have to charge mid ticket or high ticket so that you can scale it to the next level. And the most important part जो प्राइसिंग के अंदर आता है, it's kind of a psychology. एक बार सोचो, अगर आपके पास जो बंदा आ रहा है उसको अगर आप सिर्फ बोल रहे हो 5-10 हजार का प्रोग्राम है, उसको ऐसे लगेगा कि यार ये सिर्फ ही इज ओनली चार्जिंग 5,000 या फिर 10,000, आई डोंट थिंक दिस इज अ गुड प्रोग्राम, क्या ही सिखाएगा मुझे वो 5,000 के अंदर। दिस इज द साइकोलॉजी दैट योर क्लाइंट माइट गेट. That's why never ever charge low ticket, just go for the mid ticket or high ticket so that both of you will have the win-win situation. And yes, this was the entire video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button because it will actually motivate me to create multiple such videos. And if you haven't subscribed yet, just hit that subscribe button क्योंकि बहुत सारा कंटेंट अभी आने वाला है, एंड डेफिनेटली बेल आइकन को भी दबाना ताकि जब भी मैं नया कंटेंट पोस्ट कर लूंगा यू विल गेट द नोटिफिकेशन. एंड बाय द वे, इफ यू डोंट नो मी, हाय, माय नेम इज अनिकेत. आई एम अ बिजनेस कोच एंड आई हेल्प वर्किंग प्रोफेशनल्स टू स्टार्ट एंड ग्रो देयर कोचिंग बिजनेस फ्रॉम स्क्रैच or wherever they are in to 3 to 5 lakhs per month in the next 90 days and less than that depending upon your availability, by the way. And yes, without quitting your job. And if you want to quit your job, you can definitely quit that and you can do it full time at the same time. It is completely up to you. So yeah, thank you so much and see you in the next video.